Hello, my friend. Welcome to this video, and welcome to the start of something amazing. If you are a beginner in English, if you are just starting your journey, and if you dream of speaking English fast, clearly, and confidently, then this video is made just for you. Now, I know how it feels to be a beginner. Maybe you understand a few words. Maybe you feel nervous when you speak. Maybe you ask yourself, can I really learn English? And my answer is, yes, you can. In fact, you can learn English faster than you think. I'm not going to give you magic. There is no secret trick. But I will give you something even better. A simple plan, easy to follow steps, and real advice that actually works, even if you are starting from zero. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I am ready to start. This is my time. Why English matters. Today, English is not just a language. It's a key to the world. When you speak English, you can talk to people in many countries, learn from the best schools and teachers online, apply for better jobs, watch movies in YouTube without subtitles, travel with confidence, make international friends, and grow personally and professionally. So learning English is not just about words. It's about changing your life. That's why you're here, and that's why I'm here to help. Learning fast starts with the right mindset. Many people believe that English is too hard or takes many years. But here's the truth. You don't need 5 years. You don't even need to speak perfectly. What you need is daily practice, small steps, repetition, and belief in yourself. You can learn fast if you start smart. Think of learning English like building a house. One brick every day. No rush, no pressure, just progress. Repeat after me. I will learn step by step. I am not afraid to make mistakes. English is possible for me. What you will learn in this video. In this video, I will show you how to start learning English the right way, what to focus on in the first few months, how to practice speaking, even alone, how to use free tools to grow fast, the best way to remember new words, and how to stay motivated when learning feels hard. So whether you're 13 or 63, whether you're learning for school, work, travel, or life, this video will help you get started fast and stay strong. Your goal starts. Now I want you to do one thing today. Watch this video from beginning to end. Write down 2 to 3 tips you will try this week. Say to yourself, I am an English learner. I am ready. I am going to grow. Because you're not just watching this video, you're making a decision to stop waiting and start speaking, a decision to become someone who uses English daily, confidently. So now, let's begin. Let's go into the first step of how to learn English fast. Say it with me. Let's begin. I am ready. Start with the right words and sentences. When you start learning English, many people try to memorize difficult grammar rules or long word lists. But let me tell you something important. Don't start with grammar. Don't start with advanced words. Start with what you actually need to use in real life. Simple, useful words and full sentences. In the beginning, your focus should be common words, everyday phrases, simple, full sentences. For example, instead of just learning the word go, learn the full phrase, I go to school, I go to work, I go shopping on Friday. These are real, usable English sentences. Here are 10 power phrases that every beginner should know. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Iratants. Where are you from? I'm from United States. I don't understand. Can you help me? I like watching videos. I'm learning English. Tip: don't study words, Study sentences. When you learn a new word, always use it in a full sentence. Keep a notebook. One new word. One real sentence. Repeat after me. I learn with sentences. I use what I learn. Simple English is strong English. How to listen the right way as a beginner. Listening is one of the fastest ways to learn English. But here's the mistake many beginners make. They say, I don't understand, so I stop listening. That is the wrong mindset. Listen to this carefully. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain is learning. Yes, your brain is learning the sounds, the rhythm, and the patterns of English. So listen every day. Listen to easy English, slow, clear, beginner-level videos. Use subtitles in English, not your native language. Repeat short phrases after the speaker. For example, watch a 2-minute video. Pause after each sentence. Say it out loud. Hello, my name is Sarah. I live in Nairobi. I study English every day. This is called active listening, and it helps you learn faster than just reading a book. Even 10 to 15 minutes of listening each day can grow your vocabulary, pronunciation, and understanding. Repeat after me. I listen every day. I learn from what I hear. English sounds are becoming natural to me. Part 3. Speaking practice, even if you're alone. Now we come to the part that many beginners fear, speaking. I don't have anyone to talk to. I feel shy. I make mistakes. Sound familiar? But let me share a big truth with you. You don't need a teacher or a partner to start speaking. You can speak English alone and still improve fast. Here's how I recommend you do it. 1. Mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Pretend you are talking to someone. Say simple things like, Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today I ate rice and watched a video. Now I'm practicing English. This helps build confidence and improves your mouth memory. Your brain and mouth start to work together. 2. Shadowing. Shadowing is when you repeat what someone says right after they say it. Choose a video. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it exactly. Example, video, I live in a big city. I live in a big city. Copy the speed, tone, emotion. It's like singing with English instead of music. 3. Voice recording. Use your phone to record yourself. Talk for 1 minute about your day. Then listen to it. Tomorrow and do it again. In 1 week, you will already hear the difference. Don't worry about grammar. Focus on fluency and confidence. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I practice every day. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Bonus tip. Speak first, fix later. In the beginning, don't worry about being perfect. Speak English the way a child learns, with joy and mistakes. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. You will improve day by day, as long as you keep speaking. Best tools and apps to learn English fast, for beginners. Now that you know how to learn with sentences, listen the right way, and speak daily, let's talk about the tools and apps that can help you learn English faster and smarter. Because here's the truth. Your phone is not just a phone. It can be your personal English teacher if you use it the right way. 1. YouTube. Your free English school. Yes, YouTube is one of the best tools in the world for learning English. Watch videos made for beginners. Listen to slow conversations. Watch stories with subtitles. Follow English teachers who speak clearly and slowly. Tip: choose videos where they speak at a beginner level. Don't just watch. Repeat after them. Use channels like Speak English with Mr. Duncan English Addict, English Class 101, BBC Learning English Watch 10 minutes every day, and copy 2 or 3 sentences out loud. 2. Duolingo, daily word practice. This app is great for beginners. It teaches you new words, grammar basics, and short phrases, step by step, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes a day. It feels like a game. You get points and goals. It keeps you motivated. Tip: don't just tap answers. Read every word out loud when you study. 3. Elsa Speak. Fix your pronunciation. If you want to speak clearly and sound more natural, this app is very helpful. It listens to your pronunciation. It tells you if your sound is correct. It helps you improve one sound at a time. Even 5 minutes a day will help you sound better and feel more confident. 4. Quizlet. Remember vocabulary faster. Quizlet is an app that uses flashcards. You can create your own cards or use ready-made sets. Learn words with pictures and audio. Test yourself quickly. Play games to memorize faster. Use this when you're waiting for a bus or during a short break. 5. Google Translate plus Voice Tool. This is simple but powerful. Use Google Translate with the microphone feature. Say something in English and see if it understands you. If it does, great. If it doesn't, say it again, more clearly. Practice speaking. Get feedback immediately. Learn by doing.